See what I'm filming.
Don't worry about it, just point and shoot. I'll edit it all anyway. You! That's sick. I'm sick! Let's go back and get codes. Oh, it's so sketchy! Should have gone to Enduro tyres for some new tyres! See if I can do this one-handed. Cody! We came to a complete stop, so it was a bit underwhelming. Cody's got a snow day from school, haven't you? Yeah. So we've got a filmer. Bench up there. Walk up to that bench there, cuz. Is this better than being at school, cuz? Yeah. What if I put it on the internet though? Will you get told off? This is learning. This is living. Oh! Are you still on? This is not easy. In the snow, crogging the camera lady at the same time. Uh-oh, dodgy bridge, dodgy bridge. Oh my god. It's on the edge. Some slippy timber. We're in brutal conditions. Come on, get on! Come on, get on! She's on! Camera lady is on! Let's go! We're slipping all over! Oh no! Oh my god, we're going to go in the We've got no control whatsoever. This 14-year-old is risking her life today with her dad. I might just take you straight back to school, Cody, on the bike. Wow! We're living! Whoa! Jesus Christ! The visibility is getting poor. It's weird being sat down all the time with you on. Uh-oh. Duck! Oh my God! Hold on! Yes! God! Jesus Christ! Whoa! This is so dangerous! Whoa! Let's get out of here! This is crazy! The back of the bike is all over. Whoa! Jesus! This is too fast for these conditions. Too fast. With a 14-year-old on the back. The new camera lady. We're going to do more of this, aren't we, Codes? We're going to do more of this, aren't we? Less days at school. School sucks. Are you ready? Hold on tight. It's got a big drop at the end. Whoa! Oh, he's almost shot it! Ah! Shit! Oh, what a melt! Oh no! Look at that! It's like a big turd on my handlebar.